How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll show you how to find your recently watched or interacted with reels on Instagram. Without further ado, let's begin. So you need to launch Instagram application and note that there is no quick way to view all your watched reels, but there is alternative way you can do, that is simply you can find all your interactive reels on Instagram. So first of all, you need to navigate to your profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the menu bar at top right corner of your screen. Now you will be required to scroll down and choose the option of your activity. Under the interaction section, you can easily see the likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker response, and reviews. So you need to choose one of them. Suppose let's choose likes. Then here you will see all the list of the liked videos on Instagram. You can easily tap on newest to oldest and sort it. Come back and you can even select the dates. You can choose the content type as well and tap on reels. And tap on apply button. So in this way, you can easily find out all your interactive reels. Also, when you go back to the activity page, you can easily select the comments and then see all the commented videos. So in this way, you can easily see all the recently watched reels on Instagram by changing the date range and the type of the content. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.